Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, I want to wish each and every one of you a very happy new year. I feel that this year came with a lots of ups and downs, but in the end everything was totally worth it. I even started my YouTube channel which was on my bucket list since so long. I decided to make a recap video of the year 2021 highlighting all the positive moments that happened from the month from January to December. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. Let's start with the month of January. January was a very nice month and I felt very positive and calm throughout. I celebrated New Year's at home with family and we did a mini barbecue at home. I even got the chance to meet my college friends after so long and this really uplifted my mood. In January, since corona cases were reducing, we even went for a family lunch and this was such a nice experience. Next comes the month of February. In February, I mostly focused on my academics and internship, but the highlight of the month was meeting my roommate after so long. We went for a lunch, gossiped a lot and even clicked so many pictures. The next day, I even went to Barbecue Nation, so I feel February in Gen was a very good food month. Next comes the month of March. Now March is my birthday month, hence it was the most eventful month of 2021. I got my first ever MacBook in the month of March and this particular moment was the most special for me. I even decided to experiment with my hair and my sister helped me get a hair transformation. The next day, my mom, me and my sister went for Women's Day celebration and we went out for a lunch. This was so nice since we gossiped a lot. I even met my coaching friends after one and a half years and this was again a very nice experience. The next event was the most special event for me in 2021 and this was my birthday. My birthday started off on a very good note since my family had decorated the room so beautifully and even my friends got on a Google Meet and wished me. My friends had also made this website for me which consisted of all the birthday messages from my loved ones. We also went out for dinner which was really special. Next is the month of April. In April, due to the second wave, I did not step out at all. I started doing yoga and gymming at home and I devoted a lot of time to my fitness. I finally gathered a lot of courage and then I started my YouTube channel in April. In May, I was still at home due to the second wave, so I decided to give a lot of time to my content on YouTube and Instagram. We celebrated mom and dad's 29th anniversary at home and I found out that baking a cake is so therapeutic. I focused a lot on my YouTube channel in the month of May and I'm really proud of the content that I have produced so far on my channel. Now June is also my sister's birthday month, so I planned a lot and we celebrated her birthday at home. We got custom made t-shirts for her birthday and that was such a cute moment. We even baked a mango cheesecake for our dad and we celebrated Father's Day at home. This was honestly such a cute celebration and he was really happy by the end of it. Next comes the month of July. In July, we celebrated my dad's birthday by taking him for a birthday lunch and this was such a cute moment and we all enjoyed a lot. The place was amazing and the food was really nice. I even got a chance to visit my college after 1.5 years and I even vlogged that day. So if you haven't checked my vlog out yet, do it right now. I visited this place called The Llama in Jaipur and had the best Asian cuisine ever. Now in August, since my college was about to start, so my family decided to go for a mini staycation. Me and my sister planned a surprise for our parents and we took them to the Western Pushkar. This was such a nice and a cute vacation. Like always, me and my sister celebrated Rakhi at home and then we both went for a lunch date which was super cute. In September, I devoted a lot of time preparing for my internship season and also spent a lot of time in my academics. But the highlight of this month was celebrating my mom's birthday, and I even did her makeup. She was looking absolutely pretty, and it was such a nice and a cute day. In the starting of October, we got a reopening mail from college, and we were super excited to go there again. Going to college after so long was an amazing experience. I even vlogged that for you guys. During the end of October, we had our mid-semester examinations, and that is the reason why we got invested into that. The highlight of October was that I got a summer internship offer from Fisher Jordan, and I'll be interning there in the 2022 summers. After giving exams in October, we all went home in November. We went for a family trip to Himachal. We started off our trip in Chandigarh where we shopped and ate a lot. I got so many cute and affordable stuff from the Sector 22 market of Chandigarh, and I thoroughly enjoyed it a lot. After that, we went to Himachal and we stayed in the Chel Palace. It was such a beautiful place and the view there was breathtaking. Here I have attached some small clips of the good food that we ate on this trip. In December, we had our end semester examination, and that was a very stressful time for all of us students. Exams came with a lot of stress and mental breakdowns, but at the same time, I also made a lot of memories at BITS. The last few days were really emotional for all of us because we had to pack our rooms and say goodbye to each other. So that was it for my 2021 recap video. I hope you all enjoyed watching it. I wish you all again a very happy new year.